Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I am here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, hello, my client has been running Performance Max Google Shopping ad for months, and February was his best month. Okay, at the moment this is first April, the time I'm creating this video, just to let you know, guys, knows. Okay, so he was getting 5x for ROS return on investment, and I stupidly added assets to his ads account, side links, headline, photos, thinking this only provides more value to customers. I did that about 21 days ago, thinking this can only help, but conversions have dropped significantly since then, starting to get a few back, but still days with no conversions, which never happened before. Am I still in some learning phase, or do I delete the asset? Seems so strange that this would throw it off so badly. Okay, so you actually try to help your client by adding, side links, headlines, photos, and other ad assets. And what happened was the campaign went into the learning state, and your conversions were suddenly dropped. And now you wanted to go you because you have been waiting from 21 days, and there has no such improvement in getting conversions. Yet you got some few conversions again, but there have been days, when you do not see any conversion. So my advice would be, okay, so just strategize yourself on the days you are getting conversion from this campaign. You can run this campaign, and the days, when you do not see conversions, when you're not seeing conversions, what I suggest you is to create a campaign. Just do the copy and paste with the same similar keywords, everything they're same. Just do not add those assets like side link, headlines, photos, and run on those days when you are not receiving conversions with this new campaign. So this will help you in analyzing that, because this campaign is now, because over optimization is being done over here. So yeah, marketing is all about testing. So I sometimes recommend trying new stuff on new campaigns, but sometimes we can try on existing campaigns as well. And marketing is about testing, so sometimes it goes into testing some benefits, the testing goes into benefit, sometimes the testing goes in the way scenario, like this over happen, this scenario where, because 21 days is a very sufficient time, and still if the company is not getting good conversions, yet you have told that there are days when you get conversions. So note down, like if there are certain days of the week, like you're getting conversions on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday, Saturday, then you can run this old campaign on Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday. And for the other days, what you can do is to create a new campaign with copying old data, yet do not copy the new changes you have done, like side links, headline, or photos, and see what impact this new campaign is going to create. So again, this is another experiment, hoping to reverse your data, but there is also option of a change history, but that doesn't work well with Performance Max campaigns. So my recommendation is to offer the new campaign and try this, because marketing is all about testing. So yeah, do not worry, because also there can be certain reasons, like if there is a market change, if there is a month change in your market, that could be reason. There could be a cultural event in your area, and that could be the reason of slowing down the sales, and yet you are blaming your campaign on it. So there could be other factors as well. So you also need to focus on if there are any other factors as well which are causing the reduction in conversions. If a new competitor has emerged with an amazing offer, with an amazing landing page, that could be another reason as well. I'm just seeing that these could be another possibility as well, which you need to work out. So I hope this answers your question. In case if you need a professional help with the Google Ads management setup, audit services, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.